reason why we're replacing these 3 shingles is because that one tab blew up. When that happens right there, you have to replace it. We have 1, 2, 3 of them across there. Loosening the shingles. Of course, that's the one that was bent, so it doesn't matter. That's the one we're working on getting out. What?
Nails how with you?
Nails are deep?
Oh yeah. Oh, be careful.
Be careful.
Not good.
Six nail. Well, if they're that deep, he's not doing too bad then, so far. Should have brought a cushion, huh? Why don't you go get one before you can get going? You got to get shingles anyway. Be a lot more comfortable. I thought it was 2 feet. Perfect. Nail. Had 3 shingles over here, bad. Not just 1. Oh yeah. Might be more than that. Little dab will do you. Wherever you took them shingles loose, you want to put some dabs, not big old gobs, but dabs. Because the shingle no longer has its strength anymore because we loosened up the old tar line. And the old tar line, once it gets dried up and stuck, that's the way it's supposed to be. So when you take them loose, you're going to have to use some caulking. Right where you pulled the nails out is the best place. Just put them on top of the new nail that you put in. one shingle, 3-tab replacement.
Still worth it.
They will. They nailed them way far apart too, didn't they?
Yeah.
Not the right spot to nail them.
Better.
Deep. Deep. Yeah, you can't even get your nail thing. After the shingle's gone, you can't get it. That's rough. That is rough. Too deep. One more. Yeah, see here. That's what you're looking for. This is the shingle that's being replaced, so we have to take out this nail. And this shingle is 12 inches tall. This is 5'10", so 2 inches of this bottom shingle is up here. So that's why you have to take them 2 nails out, which them 2 nails are not nailed properly. Nailed properly would be one on each side of that cut right there, within an inch or so, not 3 or 4 inches. So I don't like the way they nailed it, but that's the way it is. In order to get this shingle out, you have to take out the row that you're taking out and the row above it. If you do that, your shingle will slide out. Like I said, 5'10", your shingle's up here at 12 inches. Pull all the nails in the shingle that's coming out, all the nails in the row that is above it. Your shingle will slide out, and you can slide another one right back in the same spot. We basically had 3 in a row, Paul.
Got one down.
Oh, one down, yeah, one down. We didn't bring the other 2 shingles up, so we'll go grab it. When using a gun, you want to make sure that your pressure is set correctly so that the nail isn't going into the shingle. Literally should be sitting on top of the granules and not down deep. You can see where that's down a little bit too deep, and this one here is actually a little bit worse. You can see the edge on it. But anyways, you don't want to ever nail your nails deep. Hand nailing is the best practice, to be honest with you. You'll get the more consistent from hand nailing than anything. The nail pattern for these should be right here. All right, a nail just like that, and a nail not necessarily over here, because you're starting to get close to the bond line, and that's what you want to stay away from. Keep the water away from these. So like this should be like that, should be like that. So we're nailing back, or 1, 2 being right above, 3 being right above, and then your end within an inch is better. This is probably 2 1/4 inches. You want to be within about an inch. Beautifulness.